Hello, software developers and architects. Are you looking for a way to build scalable, maintainable, and resilient systems in today's complex software landscape? In this video, we'll explore how domain-driven design, or DDD, and microservices can be powerfully combined to achieve precisely that. We'll introduce DDD, explain its core concepts, and show you how these principles can be applied to effectively design and build robust microservices. Domain-driven design is a software development approach that focuses on modeling software to match a specific business domain. It's about deeply understanding the business requirements and aligning your code directly with that understanding, especially useful in complex systems. A key concept in DDD is the domain itself, which is simply the subject area to which the user applies a program. Another crucial element is the ubiquitous language, a shared vocabulary used by developers, domain experts, and stakeholders. This language bridges the gap between business and technical teams, ensuring everyone is on the same page and understands the system's nuances. When applying DDD to microservices, a few core concepts become particularly important for effective design. First is the bounded context, which acts as a clear boundary within which a specific domain model applies. This ensures clarity and consistency, preventing ambiguity that can arise when different parts of a system use the same terms with different meanings. In a microservices architecture, each microservice is often treated as its own bounded context, defining its scope and responsibilities. Another key concept is the aggregate, a cluster of related entities and value objects treated as a single unit of consistency. The aggregate root is the main entity that controls access to the aggregate, ensuring data integrity and consistency within its boundaries. So, how does DDD specifically help with microservice design? It provides a strategic approach to breaking down a large application into smaller, manageable services. By identifying bounded contexts, you can define clear service boundaries and responsibilities, aligning each service with a specific business capability. This strategic DDD phase involves mapping out these contexts, understanding their relationships, and decomposing the larger system into self-contained units. DDD also encourages the use of domain events for inter-service communication, promoting loose coupling and allowing services to evolve independently. This tactical DDD phase involves modeling each bounded context with entities, value objects, aggregates, and repositories. To successfully implement DDD with microservices, consider these best practices for a smoother development journey. Start with a modular monolith using DDD principles, then gradually extract microservices along well-defined bounded context boundaries as business needs evolve. Align services with specific business domains and use a ubiquitous language in service interfaces to maintain clarity and consistency. Keep services loosely coupled, favoring asynchronous communication when possible, and ensure each microservice has its own database schema and data model. Favor event-driven architecture where microservices emit essential changes as domain events, enhancing resilience and scalability. Implement comprehensive monitoring and logging to detect and diagnose issues quickly, and establish clear API contracts for seamless integration. Of course, there are challenges to consider. DDD can add initial complexity, and managing data consistency across microservices can be tricky. However, by using patterns like eventual consistency, strategic design, and robust communication mechanisms, you can effectively overcome these hurdles. Determining appropriate service granularity and managing complex service interactions also require careful consideration, guided by bounded contexts and aggregates. In conclusion, domain-driven design provides a robust framework for designing microservices architectures that truly align with business needs. By applying DDD principles, you can create more maintainable, scalable, and resilient systems, ultimately driving greater success for your projects. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the powerful synergy of DDD and microservices.